know, I want to come on today and encourage somebody and tell them that no matter how tough life get, man, you just got to hang in there. It's going to get better. It won't get bitter. It won't get worse. It will get better. And I just want to tell you, don't ever give up. Keep believing yourself. Keep believing your dreams. Trust in God. Trust in God. God has a plan for you. When you feel like you don't know where you are, you don't know how you can find your way, pray. Prayer have carried me a long way, man. Prayer have carried me a long way. And I want to tell somebody today, man, you got to believe. You got to believe. You got to believe that God got a plan for you. You got to believe that the plan that God got for you is going to be the best plan for you. You got to believe that no matter what you go through and what obstacles you face, it won't break you. You got to trust in God. You got to trust in God, man. God has carried me a long way. And I just want to tell the world how much I love him for that. God got me, man. God got me this whole way. And God got you. No matter how bad it seems, no matter how bad you feel, just know that God got a way for you, man. And it's going to get better before it gets worse. Trust me, all your setback is going to set you up for the greatest comeback you will ever experience. Trust God. Just trust in God. When you feel like you don't know where you're going, trust in God. Pray. Pray. Prayer going to get you. If the enemy got a plan for you, God got a better one for you. If you feel like the enemies is winning, trust me, God is just preparing you. So sometimes God got to separate you. Sometimes he got to make you feel lonely. Sometimes he got to make you feel sad. Sometimes he got to put you and isolate you. Because sometimes he got to take you from the world to present you later for the world. You got to trust God. Trust the process. Trust God. Trust the process. I'm telling you, man. I just want to tell somebody that this morning, man. Trust God. Don't worry, because you're a warrior. Don't worry. You are a warrior, man. God got you. God got you. Trust God.